Hey everyone, welcome to Health and Cooking. So today we're making our third type of, well, I thought this was going to be a dip, but I think it can also turn into kind of like a candy. So what I'm doing right now is I am melting some chocolate chips. And I'm doing that on, I made my own kind of double burner. I don't know if I told you this already, but our oven, our stove kind of exploded one day. I was cooking and all of a sudden it made this pop, 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 pop sound and smoke started coming out of the back of it. So we quickly turned it off, took everything off of it, and then waited for a little bit, unplugged it, and then waited a little bit and turned it back on, and it was completely broken. It was completely dead. No more stove or oven. So my friend Cammie, you know Auntie Cammie, she comes and reads sometimes, right, with Uncle Dick. She had this little, it's called an induction cooktop. And it heats up so fast. You just turn it on and put it on the highest thing and it just heats up super, super fast. And so it's really cool. It's nice that we have that, so I can at least make some things like I can boil noodles, I can make beans, things like that. So we're still eating, and don't worry, we went and ordered a new oven, a new stove, so when you come back to school, then we can cook again, and it'll be fun. But what I learned with chocolate is if you stick it right to the bottom of a pan and turn it on the fire under it, then it kind of burns the chocolate. But if you heat up a pot of water, and what's interesting about this induction top is that it will not, I couldn't put this pot, the circular pot on it, it wouldn't work. You have to have a magnetic cooking pot. And so this is our only magnetic cooking pot, so I can only cook with this on here. And what I did is I heated up water, and I'm boiling the water. I'm boiling the water in this big pot, and I put this second pot inside the water and the chocolate inside this top pot, and it melts the chocolate without burning it, and it melts it pretty quickly too, and evenly, as long as you're stirring, and it makes it really nice and melted. So I did a whole bag of chocolate. You're supposed to get, if you want this to be healthy, you want to get dark chocolate. I know some of you don't like dark chocolate, so you can just get the regular chocolate, like the milk chocolate. But if you want it to be healthier, dark chocolate, the darker the chocolate, the more antioxidants it has in there to fight off all those free radicals, right? Then it says that once it's melted, you can put in 2 tablespoons of almond butter or peanut butter or some kind of nut butter. But I got this Nutso, which is from Costco, and it has cashews, almonds, Brazil nuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, hazelnuts, pumpkins, and sea salt in it. And I love it. It's really, really good. The only thing is when you eat it, you get the seeds all in your teeth. But instead of 2 tablespoons, see now, the recipe says 200 grams of chocolate, but a regular bag of chocolate chips is 340 grams. And so since I have almost double, I'm going to do double that. I'm going to put in 2 big, and since I love my Nutso, I love this nut butter, I'm going to put in some extra because it's full of protein and fiber and omega fats and all the things that are really good for me. So if I'm going to have a treat, I might as well make it good for me too, right? And then it says to make it crunchy. So I'm letting the nut butter, the Nutso, melt in with the chocolate. And then it says to put in some crunchies, like Rice Krispies or something like that. But since this is a healthy one, I said, I found these All Bran buds. All Bran buds. And you're thinking, All Bran buds, that's what old people eat, right? But bran is really good for your digestive system. It helps clean stuff out. So you can go potty, so you don't have tummy aches, so all the yucky stuff gets out of your intestines. And look how much fiber does it have? Ooh, it has 17 grams of fiber. That is a lot of fiber. So So this yummy chocolate nut treat is gonna be super healthy for us. So we will not feel guilty eating it, right? So I'm gonna put those in. And since it was supposed to be 1 cup, so 200 grams or 1 bag, and then 2 big spoonfuls of your favorite nut butter, and then it was 1 cup of your crispy cereal. But since I'm almost doubling everything, I'm gonna do 2 cups of this cereal, and then I will have a lot of fiber. Yep, and it's gonna make it nice and crunchy. You know what else I did? I put in some coconut oil on the bottom of this pan before I put the chocolate chips in. And I don't know if that helped it not burn or helped it be more smooth, but I don't know, I think it made it better. I'm gonna get a container to put it in. So, I'm gonna use a pie plate to put it in. And if you have parchment paper, that's a really good paper, the parchment paper to have. And instead of oiling the pan, you can just put the parchment paper over your dish and then scoop in what you made. And then when you refrigerate this, it's gonna turn hard, right? Because chocolate, when it's refrigerated, is hard. Right now it's nice and melted so that we can stir in our nut butter and our bran. I don't know how this is gonna taste. I'll have to tell you how this tastes afterward. This is my first time making it with you. I've never made it before, but I've wanted to do it for a while. So I love these cooking classes. It forces me to make new things and try new things and do it with you. So this is kind of what it just looks like. And I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, and then when it's done, it'll be kind of hard, and you can slice it and make little chocolate chunks to eat, full of fiber. So enjoy that, have fun, be healthy, wash your hands, and have fun cooking.